Okay, so this video is just showing you how to draw a piece of wood of a specific size. And right now, just going down to the zoom tool and zooming into the rectangle that was just drawn. You can use two fingers on the touchpad to zoom in and out. And this is showing you using the push-pull tool. Then selecting everything and going make group. And copy paste to make another copy of that piece of wood. And now using the camera orbit tool to change the view so that you can kind of look from the side, because we want to use the rotate tool here in order to rotate that piece of wood vertically. And then go over and grab the move tool, and you're going to grab it from the corner and place it up. Don't just grab it from any old place because it could be hard to move things. Copy paste for another piece, and now zooming out you can see what you've created. And then after deselecting, we're going to go to the dimensions tool in order to mark on your design the actual dimensions. And so your designs are 3D, so you have to have at least 3 dimensions, depending on what you're doing, maybe more. Don't put more dimensions than is necessary, so don't mark everything. It'll get too cluttered, but enough, at least 3, to show the design.